In addition to preservation-specific laws, there are many other laws that touch and concern historic resources. For example, land use laws, building codes, and real estate laws obviously impact what can happen to historic sites. Contract laws have an impact on things like easement agreements. And criminal laws can be used to prevent things like theft of historic resources. Think archaeological resources. Criminal laws also cover the desecration of graves, which can have implications for remains that are uncovered. Even though there are many preservation-specific laws, sometimes the best way to preserve a resource is by employing different types of laws. If a specific preservation law doesn't apply, you might be able to use criminal law or contract provision. There are also some general themes to state preservation laws. Why, you might ask, is this relevant? Because you need to know where to look when you're searching for laws that might help your preservation cause. At this point, you may not necessarily know where you're going to practice preservation. Even though you might want to end up at the State Preservation Office in Montana, that might not be feasible. Wherever it is you end up, you need to know what to be on the lookout for. There are things that are regulated throughout the country, and there are things that are specific to a region. Kentucky, for example, has laws specific to coal mining. So do other states. Florida has laws specific to sunken ships. That isn't true of, say, Nevada. So the goal here is knowing what to look for, to be aware of what might be out there. Let's start with a few state constitutions.